Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see how to create a bullet list in Clipchamp. Fast, easy, and perfect for your video projects. Let's jump right in. First, open up Clipchamp and either create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add your bullet list. Next, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Text. Pick a simple text style like default text and drag it onto your timeline above your video or background. We'll use background for demo in this video. Click on the text box in the preview window to edit it. Now, this is where we'll create the bullet list manually. Since Clipchamp doesn't have built-in bullet formatting, we'll type them manually. You can use symbols like a dash, an asterisk, or a bullet by copying and pasting it from another document. For example, we are using Microsoft Word, from where we'll get these symbols. We can also format the whole list here, and then paste it in Clipchamp. If you want to get MS Office free, make use of our video on how to get MS Office completely free with free storage. Link is in the description. Moving back to the demo, you can format the text using the tools on the right. Change the font style, size, color, and alignment to match your video's theme. You can also add spacing between the lines to make it easier to read. If you want to make it more dynamic, go to the Effects tab and add effects if you need. There is an important thing we would like to highlight. Suppose you want to show each item in the list appearing separately or one by one at different time intervals, like this. In this case, you'll have to put each list item in separate text box. Align them on timeline based on when you want them to appear. We have set them few seconds apart. Also stretch each text box on timeline so that all of them disappear at the same time like a single list. And that's it. You've just created a custom bullet list in Clipchamp. It's a simple trick, but super helpful for lists, key points, or tutorials. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more easy video editing tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.